Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Thisted here with CPP's dual-way adjustable coil-over suspension kit. Check them out. We've got CPP springs and a Viking shock body. That's right, made out of billet aluminum. You got a front kit, a rear kit, and they are two-way adjustable. They're so awesome, they don't even sell a single adjustable. You got the compression, you got the rebound, 19 clicks on each, which equals something like over 300 different combinations that you can go with. And the springs, it doesn't matter if you're running a small block, big block, LS or LT, they've got the spring rate that's right for you. These are the rears in my hand. The fronts are already installed in the frame. Just that simple. Billet, coil over, courtesy of CPP, featuring Viking technology.